The earth is frozen as the snow begins to fly.
Winter is a time of beauty and wonderment, at least for those who come prepared.
Shards of ice crackle and shatter like window panes along an icy shore. A frozen pier leads to a solitary lighthouse, standing like a ghostly statue.
Winter is a time of enchantment as the waterfalls begin to freeze, spewing clouds of mist that cover nearby trees.
Those who live and play in the snow have learned to respect Mother Nature's mood swings, her temper tantrums, and her awesome power.
As they await the coming spring,